Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you some fun purple lipsticks. So without much further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. I like all the lipsticks which I'm going to show you today, but let's start off with the least favorite to the most. Starting off with some really purple lipsticks. This one is from Sephora. This is the number 87. This is a true purple, cool toned purple lipstick and I quite like this color. I don't think you can get this anymore though. It has a muted purple vibe on my skin tone. Next I have another Sephora cream lip tints. You will see a lot of them in this video, by the way. This is the number 135, which is a little bit more vibrant purple. This is also a cool toned purple shade and I think it's a nice vibrant purple for the summer if you are into these kind of shades. I have a Sephora cream lip stain again. This is 101, which I'm wearing at the starting of this video. I really like this one. It's a nice brighter purple with a hint of that fuchsia-ness to it and I really like it. It's a nice one for the summer. Sephora cream lip stains, as you guys already know, it's a nice comfortable liquid lipstick formula. Next I have another comfortable liquid lipstick formula from Ofra. This is the shade Cape Town, which is a deeper purple. I like these kind of purples a little bit better. I think these are more wearable. Of course, we have to see some lighter purples or mauvey shades. This is from Juvia's Place. This is a matte lipstick called Kebi. So I just wanted to include some lighter purpley mauvey shades also in this video. This is a mauvey nude and this is one of my favorite mauvey nudes. Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Pool Party is also another really pretty light purpley shade. This is also a deeper mauve and this is very everyday friendly. So if you're not into brighter purples, you can try these kind of purples. Another one from Huda Beauty, this is Spade. This is just slightly lighter than the previous one I showed you. Both have a purpley pinky tone to them. These two are definitely some everyday friendly wearable purpley tones which you can wear. Next one I just love. This is from Too Faced. It's called Upgrade. This is a purple but it is deeper, yet it's vibrant, so it looks really good on tan skin tone. It's a beautiful deeper purple. Another Sephora cream lip stain. This one is 133. This is also a deeper purple with a hint of berry. I think these sort of shades are my favorite tones of purple to wear. Hint of berry in a deep purple tone. How can I forget McGrath Deep Orchid? This is also a beautiful berry with a hint of purple. It's a more muted purple, I would say, and it looks so beautiful. It's one of my favorite purpley berry tone lipstick I have. Next I have another favorite. This is from NARS Warm Leatherette. This again is a great purple shade. It has a purple fuchsia tone to it and it's a deeper shade. It looks great on tan skin tone. This I think is one of my favorite purple lipsticks I have. This is Givenchy Violet Velours. This is such a beautiful deep purpley berry shade. It looks so good. The formula is just amazing, intensely richly pigmented, and it stays for so long. I just love this lipstick. So those are different kind of purple lipstick options which you can wear. Look at the range of colors I have chosen for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all those purple lipsticks, and let me know which one was your favorite, and if you have any recommendations, let me know that as well in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And if you're watching me for the first time, I really hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again really soon in my next video. Bye.